Here's a look at my Arctic King 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. I've had it for 2 years now, and it does a good job at keeping my entertaining room nice and cool, even when I have guests over on 90+ degree days in the summer. It vents out the window, and I keep a plastic bin under it to make draining easier, which you have to do now and then. The way I have it set up is on top of some foam in a bigger storage bin. And then have a smaller bin here, and to drain it you just unscrew the cap and pull out the rubber stopper. And then you just empty the smaller bin. The water that can build up inside can also evaporate on its own. It just depends on how much you use it. To turn it on, you press the power button over here. And then you can adjust the temperature here. And it'll automatically cycle on and off depending on the temperature you set it at. I think it's a nice air conditioner option, and it's capable of keeping small to medium-sized rooms nice and cool in the summer.